I want to use. This is Coral coated bead. I think it's coated bead. We have used it some time ago, so I didn't fit to use for this project I want to do. So let's start. Hello everyone, can you see this? I'm going to be treating this today. This is like a Zulu blouse. Can you see? I'm going to be doing this today. No. So lovely. So I have removed it. This is it. Very easy to do. It is Zulu bead. I call it Zulu bead from South Africa because it has so many colors. You can use it for wedding, for any outfit. You can use any bead. The bead I use is so heavy, so thick. I love it. I love it. I will use it for any outing. Coming this week, I have an outing. I will use it. I have a gown. So let's see the way. Let's go to the tutorial further now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. This is Shining for Luck. Kindly subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Let me see. That's got it. So far, so good. Good me by Jet. Let me see you. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Buga. Let me see you there, Buga. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Buga. Let me Buga. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Buga. Buga. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to my channel. I'll be battling with this. Can you see it's beautiful? This is beautiful. I'm going to be talking about this today. We are going to be treating this today. Stay to the end. You will love it. Don't mind me. I will fix this later. I will fix it now. I will fix it. This is my work. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. This is Shining for Luck Studio, Shining for Luck TV. If you have not subscribed, don't mind that guy. He's disturbing me. He has been disturbing me for so long. That's my baby. The baby of the house. He has been disturbing me. So we are going to be treating this today. Let me remove it. And you will see. It's okay.